Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 35. In 401 BC, 10,000 Greek mercenaries led by Xenophon were stranded in Persia after their leader Cyrus was killed. Facing hostile lands and armies, they embarked on an epic journey home. Traversing treacherous terrain and overcoming immense challenges, their march became a legendary survival tale. Reaching the Black Sea, their cry, Thalata, Thalata. The sea marked their relief. This adventure, known as the Anabasis, showcases their resilience and tactical skill, echoing as a remarkable story of endurance in ancient history.